Hey YouTube, so what we have here is a Maystains Hugger ceiling fan. This is from Walmart. Yeah, this replaced that old Tatsung fan that burned out, or the capacitor went out. I don't know what happened to it, but that fan was done. It sadly burned out. This is in the bathroom. The wallpaper in here is beautiful. Don't find this quality anymore. Let's turn it on. Now it makes a cool startup sound on medium. I think this thing was like $20 at Walmart. It looks like the Harbor Bridge Armitage. Climb up here in the bathtub. Let's go to medium and listen to it. Here's high. It really moves air. I'm going to turn it off and we're going to go straight to high so you can hear that sound it makes. Listen. Never heard a ceiling fan make that sound. Oh yeah, bye.